Amen. Mr. Clavel here. Hey, congrats on winning the Core Value Award. I know that the beginning of this year has been rocky for all kinds of students trying to get settled, and you were someone who came to study halls and office hours, reached out about turning in missing work, and really was on top of everything to end Unit 1. So you set a really great example, I think, for students who maybe had kind of a rocky beginnings and then made sure to get to a great place by the end of Unit 1. So I'm proud of you. You deserve this award. You're an example for a lot of students of how to kind of hustle and make things happen and get back on track. And you deserve this award, and I hope that lots of students can learn from you about taking advantage of all the times and ways to stay up on work and reach out to teachers. Always loved seeing your face when you came into office hours. So great job. Keep up the good work. You deserve this Core Value Award, and you rock. Adios.